Hi there, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with your chart of the day from StockMarketMentor.com. Now, Friday in the market was an ugly day. We had an ugly day here on SPY. You can see the market closed under the 8 and 21-day EMA. QQQ, very similar. And so you'd expect a tech-related stock like FSLY to be down on the day, but it actually was up. Not only up on Friday, but also had a monster day here on Thursday, thanks to its earnings report. Now, I want to note this relative strength. I love paying attention to stocks that are up when the market is down. That tells me that, despite whatever is happening in the market, the buyers are still interested in this stock. And so definitely want to keep this one on my watch list for next week because it is holding up well in a messy market, in a well-defined uptrend above all the major moving averages. Now, this is the daily chart. If I flip to the weekly chart, you can see that it's hitting some weekly resistance right around this 100 EMA. And so it may chop around. If the market is still bumpy next week, we may see the market, FSLY here, just kind of chop around this 100 EMA. But I would love to see this hold up above this level, let this 8-week moving average catch up, and give us another opportunity to potentially buy this stock. This was a stock I was trading back in March and April, and I had since gotten out of it, got out of the way, and then kind of lost sight of it. But it's one that I want to put back on my radar and hopefully put it back on yours too. So this is just a quick chart that I wanted to share with you. It's a good-looking chart in a bad market, and those are great to keep track of. So I hope this video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. Oh, wait, it's not Twitter anymore. It's called X. Well, follow me there, I guess, and check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. We have a great trial right now. Take a 14-day trial for only $7, and you can see what some very experienced and seasoned traders are doing in this tape. So I hope it's helpful, and I'll see you next time.